So loves on this side, yes, on this side, I showed you the backdrop, the floor wrap, and the life-size cutouts. But I want to show you a couple more products that are going to take your designs to the next level, take your event design business to the next level too. This is an accordion wall that can also be arranged as columns. Now these are 8 feet tall, and this makes a 12-foot wide display. And it's several boards placed together. This is a template in AI. This is a template in AI. And I just want to show you that we can use our AI on Tuesdays. We can use our Photoshop classes on Wednesday, and we can make this level of results, like I said, from home. So if you're ready to go pro from home, I want you to comment the word pro, and I'm going to send you the link for our hands-on workshop. I also have a virtual version of it, but we will be coming to Atlanta and Jacksonville and maybe a city near you and physically doing these workshops where you can get in the room, put your hands on this stuff, and learn how to do this straight from home. I want you to have professional level results with your AI. I want you to have professional level results with your Photoshop and your designs. And now I require you to have professional level results with your production type of products. These are going to be great for graduation. These are great for birthday parties, corporate events. And you're talking about being able to charge a lot because not everybody is doing large format. And you don't have to have a large format printer. We will send you the prints, roll up in a tube, and you can even get them as soon as same day or next day, of course, with an additional fee. But you can have these and be able to produce these large format graphics right from your kitchen table or your garage. If you're ready to do that, make sure that you comment pro underneath this video, and I will be happy to send you my link to come join me either in person or virtual and get a piece of this experience. The cubes, 2 feet tall, you see, larger than life. I see the accordion wall. I want to actually show you a little trick with this accordion wall. It looks like one thing from one side and another thing from the other side. Check it out with me. I'm going to have you go here. Boom. And then I'm going to have you roll around. You'll see that when you do straight on, it has a dual image. And then we'll roll around a little bit further. Don't mind that pole. And boom. Imagine that for graduation, sports, wedding. You're talking about any event that you can think of. You're going to be able to produce these graphics at home. So I'm calling this program Go Pro from Home. All right. So tap in with me, comment pro, and let's get professional with your craft.